we are, getting ready to go to the White Sands.
What channel are you on, Anthony?
We got everybody arranged in the vehicles.
912.
Both up here. Boys back here.
Hello.
Nico, look up. We're ready to go to the White Sands, right?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay. Tony, why don't you smile?
So content, but just completely.
Yeah.
Okay. Here I go. Fast and the Furious. Whoa. Oh, Nico! Whoa! Yeah! This is a side down.
That looks really good. That's a good one.
Which side did you wax?
The board worked great too.
There goes Grandpa.
Whoa! Yes!
I'm barely moving.
Yes! I did the best!
No, it was just a water bottle. Nolan, really?
And this one?
All right, that was good.
Man, you were making way from taking Naomi. The more you're just gonna have to empty it out again later, honey. Where? In my hand. Maybe in the sand.
Honey.
Let's just get a picture of him playing with the sand.
I'm gonna try and eat every grain of sand here.
Can you bring 2 cardboard boxes?
I'm gonna take them!
Woo! Yeah.
Turn it up and down in the direction of Travis. That's the direction you want to flip in.
All right.
See if I can keep it straight. Good job, Nico.
Here comes your dad.
This will be awesome!
Look out, Nolan, stay to the side.
Okay, well, thanks for doing that.
Whee!
Here goes my dad, he's gonna surf!
You ready?
Surfy, here he comes.
All right.
I like the way he went and drug his hand like a surfer. Yeah.
Woo! Whee!
Easiest, yeah.
Let's go!
The board's fast. Back.
Nice. Good job, Michael.
Good one.
Oops. All right.
Hey, I need to get back up.
Oops. Oh, not that one.
Wow,
Oh, dear.
Did you get that?
yeah, I wish I'd been at the bottom and checked a picture of that face
What
plant.
if I just
Turn around!
ride it like a knee board?
Michael, I want to see it!
Okay, Michael, come here so I can take a picture.
All right, that worked.
Oh. Did you see her do that face plant?
I didn't. I could.
Okay.
Okay, Liz.
Bless you, bless you.
There she goes.
I can't see
Woo! Look at her go.
I'm sorry.
All
Watch out. Never mind, no, it's alright.
Don't walk. You know, it's still motion.
Woo!
Yeah!
Alright. Awesome.
That's the shot. Good spin.
Woo!
Here I go!
Woo!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, darn it. You okay? You okay? Ah,
Did you get that?
no, I didn't.
Unfortunately not.
Hang that down here.
All right. All right.
Let's go!
job.
Wow,
I wish you had
camera for like a
one.
cleaning after this.
That's what I used to do when I was a kid.
Finally.
I want to see if I can control a spin. All right, go for it. 360.
You better,
I'm dizzy.
yeah, you
I
better
don't think it's going to spin.
move over this way, Nolan.
I'm really dizzy.
Here comes Daddy.
Oh, rats. I missed that one too.
Here I go.
I got it.
Here I go.
All right, Michael.
Here's lava coming towards Earth. Here's lava. It's a
I did that. That's pretty good.
It's a mountain.
Okay.
Look, this one.
Nice spin again.
Anthony.
Yeah.
Can I turn now?
You can try next. Come on up.
Michael, fantastic.
Hey.
Yes.